These are not normal times. Those are the words of a Trump-appointed judge who just dismissed a major lawsuit filed by the Trump administration. I'm a lawyer in real life. I don't play one on television. Let's talk about how the Trump administration will not be allowed to sue judges. The Trump administration filed a lawsuit against all the federal judges and the clerk of court in the state of Maryland. That's right, they sued the judges directly. And the basis for the lawsuit was because the administration was not happy with an order issued by the court that said before an immigrant can be removed from the country, when they have a habeas petition pending, the court must have an opportunity to hear that petition. So give us 2 days, is what the court said. Give us 2 days to hear the petition. But Judge Cullen, the Trump appointee, was not drinking the Kool-Aid with the administration on this. The judge rejected the administration's claims, and he wrote something I think really bears repeating. And let me just read directly what he said. He said, to start, this is an extraordinarily unusual lawsuit. So before explaining the specific reasons for dismissal, the court takes a moment to ground itself in 2 simple but fundamental constitutional precepts that guide much of its analysis. First, the executive branch is not the sole sovereign in the United States of America. Second, the federal judiciary does not have plenary power unmoored from a justiciable case or controversy or cause of action to review any allegation of constitutional misconduct. So throughout this decision by the judge, he really expressed dismay, disappointment, disbelief that this administration was bringing such a lawsuit that was not grounded in law, not grounded in procedure, and not grounded in facts. So the judge dismissed this lawsuit, but noted if the government, the executive branch, if they disagree, there is a process for them to follow to challenge the district court's standing order. But suing the individual judges, that is simply not the process. Of course, the Trump administration is probably going to appeal. If they appeal, do you think the Supreme Court is going to back up this judge and tell the executive branch, follow the process? Or do you think they're going to give them a pass and let them do it their way? Let me know what you think in the comments.